Hey guys, this is Imtiaz Ali. In previous video I showed you how to set up Java environment on Windows operating system. Today I will show you how to write first Java program. This is a very basic program. You don't need any knowledge of any programming language. So guys, let's get started. First of all, go to any directory and create a folder. Let's say Java. In this folder, create a text file. Let's say hello.java. So guys, notice one thing. This type of this file is text. Now after pressing enter, you will see that type will be changed. So guys, as you see, the type of the file has been changed from text to Java. So click on the file and write public class hello curly brackets public void main string args system dot out dot println hello world. Control type control plus S or save from file menu and save this file. Guys, notice one thing, that the name of the file and the name of the class both are same. It is necessary that the name of the public class should be same as the name of the file. So guys, this is very necessary. Please note down this thing. So for compiling this file, this program, you have to follow the steps. First of all, write cmd here, and there are two steps to run this program. First of all, you have to compile the program. After compiling, you have to run a command for running the program. So for compiling, type javac hello.java. Press enter. You will see there is an extra file in this folder, hello.class. This is the Java bytecode class. It is a bytecode. After compiling, write for running the program, write Java hello. Guys, you found that there is an error. Main method is not static. So there is an error. For fixing that, type static and type control plus S or save. Again, you have to compile the code javac hello.java. Now for running the code, type java hello. Guys, as you noticed, program has been successfully compiled. So this is our first program. Guys, thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel.